everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a website to your profile on the Facebook app on your iOS or Android device. So if you have a personal website that you want to share, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app and select your profile icon in the top right. And then you want to go down and select Settings and Privacy. Underneath Menu, select the Settings button. And then scroll down underneath Audience and Visibility and select Profile Details. Underneath Contact Info, select where it says Add Website. And then at this point, you can go ahead and insert your website information in here and enter in a website link. So if you select Add Website, you can go ahead and copy and paste it in here and then set it to public. And then you would save it at the top. And that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.